Hello all. In the previous video lectures of EVS, we have already understood the concepts of population growth, population explosion, and density of population. Today, we are going to study the causes of population explosion. First point, decline in death rate. Decline in death rate or the fall in mortality rate is one of the major reasons of population explosion. Nowadays, due to medical advancements, it has now become possible to cure some of the most fatal diseases. Due to this modern medication and improved treatments, the overall death rate has gone down, thereby leading to population explosion. Second point, rise in birth rate. On one hand, the death rate is declining, and on the other hand, the birth rate is rising. The medical advancements not only help to decrease the overall death rate, but they also help to increase the birth rate. Due to the medical advancements, there has been an improvement in the fertility rates. The modern medications and treatments also help people in conception. Therefore, rise in birth rates is another major cause of population explosion. Third point, migration. Immigration is a problem in many parts of the world. People migrate from one place to another for a variety of reasons. For example, let's say people from various cities of India migrate to Mumbai in search of jobs. Then what happens is there will be population explosion in the city of Mumbai. Fourth point, lack of education. Even today in rural areas, many people are illiterate and uneducated. Because of this, they are neither aware of the consequences of overpopulation nor are they aware of the concepts like family planning. Because of this, it leads to population explosion. Fifth point, low age at marriage. Child marriage has been quite prominent in a country like India. Now, where child marriage has been abolished, even today there are many young girls who marry at an age where they are not emotionally or psychologically ready. Also, this factor is directly related to the infant mortality rate. Sixth point, religious attitude towards family planning. There are many orthodox, religious, and conservative people out there who are against family planning measures. For example, in a country like India, people normally believe that बच्चा भगवान की देन होता है, and which is why they are against the idea of aborting the child or using any kind of contraceptives. This in turn leads to population explosion. Seventh point, poor use of contraceptives. In developed countries, the availability of contraceptives is widespread. However, poor planning on the part of both the partners may lead to unwanted pregnancies and unplanned births, which is another major cause of population explosion. Eighth point, poverty. Poverty is another major cause for population explosion, as poor people may be uneducated about family planning measures and may fail to understand the importance of it, thereby leading to population explosion. Ninth point, child labor. This is an extension of the previous point, poverty. Generally, poor people are of the mindset that घर में जितने ज़्यादा कमाने वाले हाथ होंगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Due to this approach, poor families tend to have more children, thereby leading to population explosion. Now, let us look at the various points that we covered today in the causes of population explosion. First one, decline in death rate. Second, rise in the birth rate. Third, migration. Fourth, lack of education. Fifth, low age at marriage. Sixth, religious attitude towards family planning. Seventh, poor use of contraceptives. Eighth, poverty. And ninth, child labor. I hope that you have understood this topic well, and don't forget, to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shri M. T. Shah Mahila College, Department of PMS, PAFI and PAF.